Assalamu alaikum dear students. I warmly welcome to all of you in today's video lesson. I hope you are doing good. Dear students, today we are going to talk about deserts. Dear students, first of all we need to understand the definition of desert. Desert area can be defined as the driest place on the earth is called desert. Dear students, desert can be defined in another way like the area where rate of evaporation is greater than the rate of precipitation. Dear students, evaporation is a process in which water moves from surface of the earth into atmosphere in the form of gas or micro droplets. On the other hand, precipitation is a process in which water comes to the surface of the earth from atmosphere or from clouds in the form of snowflakes or ice crystals, water droplets, or frozen droplets called hail. Dear students, as we know that every physical feature or phenomena on the surface of the earth has some specific characteristics. On the basis of these characteristics, we can discriminate between desert and non-desert areas. So here we have a characteristics of desert area. Number one is lack of rainfall. Number two, no vegetation but tough plants. Number three, very low population density. Number four, no water. Obviously, lack of rainfall means lack of water or no water. Extremes of temperature. It means that the difference between daytime temperature and the nighttime temperature. There is a huge difference between daytime temperature and nighttime temperature in desert areas. For example, daytime temperature of a desert area can reach 50 degree centigrade, and at night it can reach minus 10 minus 20 degree centigrade. So these great or extreme fluctuation make the environment and the climate condition of desert harsh, unbearable. So here we have types of deserts. Dear students, these types are based on these characteristics actually. Number one, hot deserts. The hot deserts are areas where temperature goes beyond 45 degree centigrade. Cold deserts. Cold deserts are areas where temperature fall below 0 degree. And coastal deserts. These are the desert areas where land meets with ocean. Dear students, let's have a look on world deserts. Number one is Sahara Desert, which is located in Africa, North Africa. Then we have Arabian Desert, located in Arabian Peninsula. Dear student, peninsula is a physical feature or a piece of a land which is covered with the water from three sides. Then we have a great Australian desert and Dashtalut located in Iran, Thar and Thal desert in Pakistan. Now we have a cold deserts, Arctic and Antarctic, both are polar region. Arctic desert is a northern polar area. Antarctic desert is a southern continent. Whole continent is a frozen land. Alpine areas, the mountainous area. Kazakh desert, which is located in Uzbekistan. Gobi desert, which is located in North Asia. Then we have coastal deserts. Dear students, we have two coastal deserts in the world. Number one is Namib Desert, which is located in southwestern African country Namibia. Then we have Atacama Desert, which is located in western Chile. Dear students, here we have a global distribution of deserts. Here we have three categories of desert with different colors. For example, purple color shows cold deserts, brown color shows hot deserts, and green color shows coastal deserts. Here we have, dear students, Sahara Desert, which is the largest desert, hot desert in the world, which is spanning round about in 12 North African countries. Then we have Arabian desert, which is second largest hot desert in the world. Here we have a third desert. Here we have Kalahari Desert, and here we have Great Australian Desert, which is a summit of 5 or 6 deserts. Then we have cold deserts, Arctic Desert, which is a northern polar area. Then we have Kazalkum and Karakum, both are cold deserts. Then we have Antarctic Desert, which is a southern polar area and categorized as a continent. Here we have two coastal deserts. Number one is Namib Desert. Here we have Namib Desert, and then we have Atacama Desert, which is located in southern America, South America, and western Chile. That's all of student today's lesson. If you have any query or question regarding this video lesson, you can contact me without any hesitation. Dear students, remember one thing: more you ask, more you learn. Stay at home, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.